My name is Eating Beauty, foodie comedian and founder of Foodjoy. That's food joy, not food orgasm. That's what my haters seem to think I'm doing. Allow me the opportunity to explain what Foodjoy is. The expression on your face when food takes you to a good place. Expression of no stress, calm, relaxation, and being amazed by flavors. Those expressions are called Foodjoy. There are 1,000 different Foodjoys. I could only name 4, but I know you could name more. So let's enjoy watching clips together of Foodjoy and naming the Foodjoy that we see as we do. Foodjoy is a visual therapeutic eating experience for all.